You getting the froggy?
Jack doesn't actually want to touch him, but he'll flick him. He's right there by your foot. By your foot. Oh! Isn't it funny when he jumps away from Sam? He's right there. Right there. Oh, that's not him. That was a rock. Where is he? Well, Jack sees him. Oh! Nice. Do you want to touch? Touch. Nice. Nice. Here, hold out your hand. Here. Hold this out. Look. Look. Oh. Nice. Nice. You want him on your foot? No. Maybe we should let this frog go.
Yeah, say bye-bye, frog.
Be nice to the froggy. I know, he moves. Where'd he go? Where is he? Sam, Sam.
There's a froggy.
Get him.
Go get him, Sam.
Pick him up. Don't hurt him. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, that was pretty nice. Well, kind of.
Don't step on him, Sam.
He didn't step on him. He was just getting close. He's trying to get him. Oh, be nice. Be nice. Oh, good job. That was nice. Be nice. Can I have him? Oh, thank you. No, nice. You gotta be nice. Look, pet. Nice. Pet him nice. 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 Oh, good job. Oh! Jack, you haven't been eating dirt, have you? Because your mouth's got dirt on it.
Hey, Jackaroni.
Where'd he go?
Hi.
Where is he?
You're okay.
It's a frog.